All right, we're done with the installation, well, the mounting of the solar inverter. And one lessons learned, if I could do it over again, is I would leave a little more room to the left, because we will have to open this up in the future to mount the cables and the lines and whatnot. And you know, this is locked in with those computer screws, so you know, I was just barely able to put a shorty in here. All right, this is the LVX6048. This is the inverter, charger, solar charger, controller, and Dad and I are gonna open her up and find the mounting points and begin installation. All right, the box is open. This is what it looks like. It's about 80 pounds or 36 kilograms. So this is a transformer system, analog transformer. So yeah, watch your back when working on something like this. So we flip the machine around on its back, and we're going to take a piece of cardboard and mark out the mounting points, so we could drill holes into the wall and hang it so we won't have to carry it. All right, just real quick before we mount it to the wall, I want to show you what the inside looks like. If you want to take the top cover off, you have to take the bottom piece out, and it'll expose all 12 screws. All right, there's 3 on each side, 3 on the right, 3 on the top, 3 on the left, and then 3 covered behind the recess. All right, and once you remove all the screws, the RJ45 port is kind of in the way, so you have to kind of bring the entire casing. You have to bring it down, right? Otherwise you'll break the RJ45 off.